Welcome to the Engineering Update. I'm WDD's Editor-in-Chief Janine Mooney, and in this week's episode, Nano generator harvests power from rolling tires, a rugged throwable camera, and a bricklaying robot that can build a house in 2 days. A group of University of Wisconsin-Madison engineers and a collaborator from China have developed a nano generator that harvests energy from a car's rolling tire friction. An innovative method of reusing energy, the nano generator could provide automotive manufacturers a new way to squeeze greater efficiency out of their vehicles. The nano generator relies on an electrode integrated into a segment of the tire. When this part of the tire surface comes into contact with the ground, the friction between those two surfaces produces an electrical charge, a type of contact electrification known as the triboelectric effect. During initial trials, the researchers used a toy car with LED lights to demonstrate the concept. They attached an electrode to the wheels of the car, and as it rolled across the ground, the LED lights flashed on and off. The movement of electrons caused by friction was able to generate enough energy to power the lights, supporting the idea that energy lost to friction can actually be collected and reused. The researchers also determined that the amount of energy harnessed is directly related to the weight of the car, as well as its speed. Therefore, the amount of energy saved can vary depending on the vehicle, but they estimate about 10% increase in the average vehicle's gas mileage, given 50% friction energy conversion efficiency.
When you think high-end video camera, you don't generally tend to think, I should throw this, but a new design is changing all that. In 2012, Bounce Imaging showcased a prototype of a throwable camera, and they've just shipped 100 of them off to police departments. The idea is that instead of having police blindly enter a potentially dangerous situation, they can throw one of these cameras in first. The device will instantaneously send panoramic photos of the area to a smartphone. The softball-sized design offers up 6 monochrome WVGA cameras, a 260-watt LED, and update rate of 1 full 360-degree panoramic shot per second. It can transmit the photos 60 feet, including through a standard wall, and can survive a 7-foot drop onto concrete. It's also rated to military drop standards. Running at full flash intensity, it will last about 30 minutes before you need to replace the batteries or charge it in a standard wall charger. Plus, it can be operated by just one officer using his normal phone, so it's a pretty easy thing to use. It can also serve as its own Wi-Fi hotspot. The team is hoping to add sensors for radiation, temperature, and carbon monoxide. They actually retail for about $1,500 or $2,500 version for the tactical edition if you want to go ahead and spy on someone. That's a creepy ending.
It really is.
For all the modern tools and heavy machinery found on construction sites these days, one aspect that has remained manual is bricklaying. But thanks to an Australian engineer, that could soon change. Fastbrick Robotics has developed what they claim is the world's first fully automated bricklaying robot. The robot is named Hadrian, after the Roman emperor who built the historic 73-mile wall in England. That was pretty impressive in the year 122 AD, but Hadrian the emperor wouldn't stand a chance against Hadrian the robot in today's world. Do I say AD, or does that stand for something? This new robot can lay 1,000 bricks in an hour. With a building plan programmed in, a 3D CAD design calculates the location of each brick, then uses its 92-foot-long arm to set them in place and secures them with mortar, all from one set position. Hadrian can handle almost any size brick on the market today and can even leave space for pipes and wiring, as well as windows and doors. Hadrian is supposed to work for 24 hours straight, so that calculates to roughly a house every 2 days, or about 150 houses a year. Obviously, that's way more than any human could produce. The company promises Hadrian will deliver accuracy to within 1/100th of an inch, but a machine operator and a human bricklayer would still be needed on-site for quality assurance. For now, at least. The robot is still in prototype stage, but if a commercial machine were to come on the market, we may see a lot of job cuts. That's all for this week's episode. Be sure to check in on Facebook and Twitter and catch past episodes on ecnmag.com. For the ECN channel, I'm Jamie Wisniewski, and this has been your Engineering Update. Fastbrick Robotics. Can you scroll down a little bit? Fastbrick. I can't even say Fastbrick. Fastbrick. Fastbrick Robotics. Fastbrick Robotics.